videotaping.
You like it?
I know. Complete with sound effects. Through the water, the stinky water. Don't stop, whatever you do. Then I get splashed by it to the next block.
Yeah, the market start on 28th.
Oh, good. Friday night. 29th. Yep.
28th to the 5th. See?
Yeah, they're practicing.
Show you where they can set up.
I saw it.
And
Yeah, I saw the canopy.
Yeah. See?
Yep. See, they've already got stuff up. Stop it! That's a gate! Oh, look, no problem. Small opening. We will travel. Don't do anything stupid, okay? Or Cynthia will become very rich.
That's why we have motorbike.
You don't have to go through there. I have proof and evidence if I die of whose fault it was.
See all the toys they have.
Oh yeah, cool.
Big carnival.
Oh, let's stop and get my photos.